Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. This is a Phonics First dictation lesson. We are going to be practicing writing detached syllables with consonant blends. Detached syllables are just syllables or parts of a word that we've taken and separated from the rest of a word. And if you'll remember, consonant blends are parts of a word when we have two or more consonants that are together that we can blend and read or write as one unit. All right, go ahead, make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pencil. Remember, for our dictation lessons, I will say the word. You should be holding your pencil or crayon in your writing hand. When I say the word, you will repeat it back to me, pounding. We will flip your hand over and tap the sounds. Remember that when we have a consonant blend, we're going to try to keep those sounds together when we tap it. If you do need to tap out the individual sounds to make sure you hear everything, you can do that. All right, remember we're doing detached syllables, so these are just going to be parts of words. The first word or syllable is flam. Flam. Fl-am. Pause the video and write the syllable flam. All right, let's check your work. Flam. Fl-a-m. Flam. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. If it doesn't, put one line through it and then write it correctly off to the side. Your next syllable is hamp. Hamp. H-a-mp. Pause the video and write your syllable hamp. All right, let's check. Hamp. H-a-mp. Hamp. Check yours, make sure it matches mine. The next syllable is spect. Spect. Sp-ect. Pause your video and write the syllable spect. All right, we're going to check. I hope you listened carefully because that one actually had two consonant blends. It had sp at the beginning, and then at the end it had kt, spect. You might hear this in the word inspect or respect. Check yours and make sure that it matches mine. All right, the next syllable is cred. Cred. Cr-e-d. Pause your video, write the syllable cred. All right, we're going to check. Cr-e-d. Check yours, make sure it matches mine. Very good. We're going to do two more syllables before we do a couple of sentences. The next one is rupt. Rupt. R-u-p-t. Pause the video and write the syllable rupt. Rupt. R-u-p-t. Rupt. And the last syllable we're going to do on its own is blist. Blist. Bl-ist. Blist. Pause the video, write your syllable blist. blist, bl, I, st, blist. So this one also had 2 consonant blends, one at the beginning and one at the end. Check yours and make sure it matches mine. Now before we go into our sentences, we're going to just practice reading our syllables. We'll read it through 2 times. Once I'll read with you, and the second time you'll read it on your own. Flam, hamp, spect, cred, rupt, blist. On your own. Very good. Now we are going to write 2 sentences. These sentences are going to have some words that have 1 syllable and some words that have more than 1 syllable. Remember, I'm going to say each sentence 2 times. When you repeat it back, we are going to pound each syllable. So some of our words we may pound more than once. Listen carefully. They had plastic pumpkins. They had plastic pumpkins. Repeat it with me. They had plastic pumpkins. Pause your video and write that sentence. Let's check our work. The sentence was, they had plastic pumpkins. They had plastic pumpkins. Pumpkins. Check your sentence and make sure it matches mine. We should have started with an uppercase T at the beginning and ended with a period. And check your spellings in between. The next sentence is, her tantrum will disrupt the class. Her tantrum will disrupt the class. Her tantrum will disrupt the class. Pause the video and write that sentence. We're going to check our work. Her tantrum will disrupt the class. Check your sentence and make sure it matches mine. We should have started with an uppercase H at the beginning, ended with a period, and make sure that all of your spellings in between match mine. We're going to practice reading through our 2 sentences 2 times. The first time I'll read them with you, and the second time you'll read them on your own. Let's read together. They had plastic pumpkins. Her tantrum will disrupt the class. Read them one more time on your own. Very nice. All right, everyone, that is the end of our lesson. Just make sure that you save your work so you can show your teacher what you worked on when you guys come back together for a live lesson. And I will see you later. Bye.